Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve sums from NCERT textbook, chapter 4, Exploring Algebraic Identities, class 9, exercise set 4.4, page number 81, question 1, part 1 to part 4. Question 1 says, fill in the blanks. They are given some blanks. We fill the blanks. They are given one expression here, algebraic expression. We need to factorize it into two factors. So we need to factorize it. So this factorization we will do by splitting the middle term. By splitting the middle term. So here s square minus 11s plus 24. Now the first step in this, you multiply the first term and the last term. So what we get? We get 24s square. So I write it separately here. That is plus 24 s square. That keep in mind. Now find the factors of 24. So 1 24s are 24, 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 4 6 are 24. So we have found some pairs of factors of 24. Now we should see which pair of factors can give me 11. You can see here 3 and 8, I can get 11 from 3 and 8. So 3, but I want minus 11. I want minus 11. See, minus 11 is second term, the middle term. So what signs I have to give so that if I solve it, I should get minus 11. Since the here minus is there, I will give minus for the, because when I add only I am getting 11 now. So I should give minus for both. So minus 3, minus 8, I will get minus 11. Okay. Now we should once again cross check. When I multiply these two, I should get this. I am getting minus 3 into minus 8 is plus 24. So now I can use these two to split this. So this is equal to s square. Now I have to split minus 11s. I write it as minus 3s minus 8s plus 24. So now among these two, s is a common factor. I will take s outside, s into s square minus 3. S into s square, s into minus 3, minus 3s. So now leave one gap here and write the whole thing once again here, this one, s minus 3. Now we have to fill the gap so that when I multiply these two, I should get minus 8s. So I'll fill it with minus 8. So minus 8 into s is minus 8s. Now minus 8 into minus 3 is plus 24. So now there are two terms here in which s minus 3 is common factor. So take the common factor outside, s minus 3 is outside. Then what is left inside? S and minus 8. So s minus 8. So we have got two factors. So I can fill these gaps with these two factors. That is s minus 3 s minus 8. So the first sum has been done there. Now come to the second sum. The second sum, they are given a blank here and they are given a factor here. So I should find this factor. So this I will factorize this and get the missing factor here. So 3x square minus 4x minus 7. So you multiply the first term and the last term. So I will get minus 21x square. Now write the factors of 21. 1 21s are 21, 3 7s are 21, and that's all. Now 3 and 7, this pair of factors can give me 4. So I want 3, I want minus 4 because the middle term is minus 4. So what signs I have to go? I have to give, I should subtract, then only I'll get 4. So here minus is there, u minus for the bigger number. So plus 3 minus 7, I'll get minus 4. Now cross check, multiply these two, I should get, I'm getting this plus 3 into minus 7 minus 21. So this is okay now. So we can proceed. It's equal to 3x square minus 4x I can write as plus 3x minus 7x minus 7. So middle term minus 4x has been split into two terms, plus 3x minus 3x. So now among these two, 3x is common factor. Take 3x outside. So 3x into x is 3x square plus 1. 3x into 1 is 3x. Now leave a gap here and write once again the same thing here, x plus 1. Now I have to fill the gap so that if I multiply these two, I should get minus 7x. So I fill it with minus 7. So minus 7 into x is minus 7x. Again now check, minus 7 into 1 minus 7. It's okay now. So now among these two terms there is x plus 1 common factor. So take x plus 1 outside. So what is left here? 3x minus 7. So we got the two factors. So here this factor is already here. So this is the missing factor, 3x minus 7. So 3x minus 7. So the second sum is done there. We will go to the third one. So here you have to factorize it and get the two factors. So 10x square minus 11x minus 6. So first step is multiply the first term and the last term. I am getting minus 60x square. So write it here, minus 60x square. So now find the factors of 60. So 1 60s are 60, 2 30s are 60, 3 20s are 60, 3 20s are 60, then 4 15s are 60, 5 12s are 60. Now check which pair of factors can give me 11. You can see here 4 and 15. If I subtract 4 from 15, I am getting 11. So 4, 15, but I want minus 11. So I will give minus for the bigger number. So plus 4 minus 15, I will get minus 11. Now again I will check now. Plus 4 into minus 15, am I getting minus 60? Yes. Plus 4 into minus 15 is minus 60. So I can split the middle term by using these two. So this is equal to 10x square minus 11. I can write as plus 4x minus 15x minus 6. So now among the first two terms, 2x is common factor. So 2x outside, 5x, 2x into 5x is 10x square plus 2. 2x into 2 is 4x. Leave a gap here and write the same thing here, 5x plus 2. Now fill the gap so that multiply these two, we should get minus 15x. So I fill it with minus 3. Minus 3 into 5x minus 15x will get. Now minus 3 into plus 2 is minus 6. Now there are two terms here. This is one term, this is one term. So 5x plus 2 is a common factor. So take it outside. 5x plus 2 common factor outside. What is left inside? 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3. So we got the two factors here. Now we can fill them here. 2x minus 3, write it here. So this is 5x plus 2. So 5x plus 2. So third sum is done there. We will go to the fourth one. Here also we have to factorize it. So 6x square plus 7x plus 2. Now multiply the first term and the last term. I will get 12x square. That is plus 12x square. Now we should find the factors of 12. 1 12s are 12. 2 6 are 12. 3 4s are 12. So now which pair can give me 7? So these two I can get 7. If I add them, I'll get 7. So 3 plus 4, I will get plus 7. I want plus 7. Now I check now. 3 into 4 is 12. Plus 12. Plus 3 into plus 4 is plus 12. So 6x square. I can write 7x as 3x plus 4x plus 2. Now among these two terms, common factor is 3x. So 3x outside, 2x. So 3 to the 6x square plus 1. So now leave the gap here and write once again same thing, 2x plus 1. Fill the gap now to get 4x. So plus 2. 4x. 2 into 1 is 2. So again 2x 1 plus 1 is common factor. 2x plus 1 is common factor. So what is left here? 3x plus 2. So we got a pair of factors here. So we can fill the gap with this now. 2x plus 1, 3x plus 2. So it is done there. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.